Today we will solve addition math problems. Our vocabulary word for this lesson is addition. Addition is an operation of combining two or more numbers to find the sum. We will use the three-read strategy to solve the following addition math problem. Lily has 7 candies in the jar. Mom puts 2 more candies in the jar. How many candies does Lily have in the jar altogether? Think about the story. What are some things that you can remember?
I remember that Lily has some candies in the jar, and her mom is putting some more candy there.
Great! Let's read the story again and focus on the question that the math problem is asking. Lily has 7 candies in the jar. Mom puts 2 more candies in the jar. How many candies does Lily have in the jar altogether? What is the question asking you to find out?
I need to find out how many candies are in the jar altogether.
Awesome job! Now let's read the math story for the last time to think about what the numbers mean in the story. Lily has 7 candies in the jar. Mom puts 2 more candies in the jar. How many candies does Lily have in the jar altogether? What do the numbers in the math story tell us?
Lily had 7 candies in the jar at the beginning of the story, but her mom put 2 more candies in the jar.
What do you think we need to do to find out how many candies are in the jar altogether?
I think that if her mom is putting more candies in the jar, Lily will have more candies than what she started with. Now I need to combine the 7 candies and the 2 more that Mom gave her.
That's right. Here's the jar that Lily has with the 7 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What happens to the candies when Lily's mom gives her 2 more? Does Lily have more candy or less candy?
Lily has more candy.
That's right. Lily has more candies because when we add to something, the amount increases. Let's represent the candies that Mom puts in the jar. 1, 2. Let's find out how many candies Lily has now. We can count all the candies in the jar now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There is another way we can count to find out how many candies are in the jar. We can also count on. We know that Lily started with 7 candies in the jar. Then her mom gave her 2 more. Now we can count on from 7 and say 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. 7 and 2 are the same as 9, or 7 plus 2 equals 9. We know now that Lily has 9 candies in the jar. Today we learned that addition is the operation of combining 2 or more numbers to find the sum. Can you create a word problem on your own to solve it? Great job, scholars!